Hi guys, I'm Andrei Burzoy and this is Dan. He's gonna help me today with another random ingredients challenge. And he's gonna hand me in the ingredients. Let's see what he got.
I always want to eat some hot sauce or some pickled or something really weird I don't know how to cook. Let's get that. Woo. Let's get some lamb heart. Easy to cook, he said. Oh, let's see. Yes. Pork ribs. See what it does with them. Perfect. Not sure what this is. Let's get one of this. Woo! Yeah. Okay, so we got lamb and pork. Yeah, let's get some chicken gravy. Okay, let's see. So, first thing, let's start with the biggest, shall we?
Ooh, pineapple!
Pineapple.
Bit green, but okay.
Of course, you was gonna say something. But good, that's what I want reaction to.
Aubergine.
Okay. Next is all the random stuff that I honestly. Oh no.
No.
This comes later. This comes later. Okay. I have no idea what this is.
Sliced runner beans. Some sort of beans, I guess. I don't know either. We'll see.
Okay. There you go. That's next.
Figs, okay.
I think this needs to stay at the end.
Okay.
Okay. Woo!
What's next? Ooh, sweet corn. Yes, perfect.
Corn.
Okay, let's see. Brussels sprouts.
Really hate that.
Tastes like farts. Rolls.
Something.
Okay.
I think this is the only thing I bought out of mercy.
So do you want a veggie burger?
The only thing that I bought out of mercy because I thought that maybe it will help you make something.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Some.
Ooh, lamb hearts. Takes a long time to cook.
Round 2.
Pork ribs. That's easy. Nice. Thank you.
Not what I wanted. There you go. That's something I want to see you use.
Pickled onions. Okay. What's next? Oh, digestives. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them.
I have no idea what this is.
Dates.
Dates?
Dates.
Dates.
It's
Like
sweet fruit.
flour and chocolate date? A
Um,
lucky date? Let's see what else.
What's next? Come on.
Nothing very. Yeah. So you have pork and lamb, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the ingredient I thought it might help
Gravy, chicken gravy.
Chicken gravy, yeah.
Chicken gravy.
you.
Perfect.
Okay. Let's see how you're gonna use this.
Some fruits somewhere else. I don't know.
Soft.
Soft apple. That's okay. A lot of fruits.
There you
We're
go.
gonna make
More
a
fruit.
fruit
More
salad. Okay.
If you put ribs and lamb into it, I'll be happy. And last one,
Pesto.
green pesto. That's it.
Reduced fat. Reduced fat.
You have enough fat there. Look at that. It's all fatty.
This is fatty. This it?
That's it.
Okay, so my first thought would be grilled pineapple first of all. I'm gonna boil the hearts because it takes long to cook, and maybe grill them afterwards or make them in a sort of stew. Broil the ribs, bake the Brussels sprouts, maybe make a bean salad with pesto and onions, then fruit salads with digestive croutons, and maybe I'm gonna stuff the aubergine. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna boil the lamb hearts, because it takes a long time to cook. I'm gonna wash them and half them so they boil quicker. I'm going to marinate the ribs now. A mixture of thingies. Now I'm gonna try to make a dessert out of these things. Maybe sort of a protein bar or something like that. Now I'm going to chill it until everything else is ready. Going to prep the Brussels sprouts to go in the oven. It's been about 40 minutes since I marinated them, so now I'm gonna put them in the oven, covered for now. Going to boil the beans now. It's been 5 minutes, so now I'm gonna stop the cooking in some ice cold water. Now I'm going to grill the aubergine and the sweet corn. Okay, the heart has been boiling for about 2 hours, and now I'm gonna mix it with some shallots and gravy and see how it tastes. Okay, so I'm done. In the end, we have some grilled ribs, baked Brussels sprouts, bean, sweet corn, and aubergine salads, some grilled pineapple, lamb heart gravy, and for dessert, some sort of protein bars made out of digestives, dates, and other fruit. Okay, let's try some lamb hearts bap.
Woo! Let's see. How do we eat this?
with your
The,
foot.
the question is, do I want to wash my hands after eating this or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah, it might be better with your hands. Mmm.
My god!
Mm-hmm.
Why don't they make this in the freaking fast food shit? Because it's... My god. You don't know what you're missing. Man, it's really, really
Awesome. It was worth boiling it for 2 hours.
good. My friend. It's good at all. Man, it's really, really good.
Yeah. I'm gonna save some space for later.
Fuck that.
I know what's coming.
Good stuff.
I agree.
Really good, man.
Glad you liked it. I'm gonna definitely make it again. Okay, let's see how the ribs turned out.
Good. How do you eat this?
Messy with your hands. At least the rib.
I'm gonna try the pineapple first.
Needs a bit more salt.
Very interesting. This. It's good. And la piece de résistance.
They work together pretty good.
I can't believe I'm eating pineapple as a side, but
It
it
works.
works good
It really
somehow.
works.
Yep. This is for Shadow now.
Yeah.
Can I scrub it?
Sure.
Shadow? You're a good boy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, let's try the dessert now.
Beautiful. Very fashion. Very fashion.
Fashion.
Smells good. Man, it's really nice.
Very fruity.
It's so good. I would definitely eat this as a dessert. It's good, man. It's good. You'll get some.
Very good. Okay.
Really, really good.
Everything turned out great.
I'm not surprised at all. I was expecting this from you.
Thank you.
Sit. Sit. Goodbye. Alright, so first off, everything was amazing, exquisite. I do not have words. Actually, the first course turned out better than any bap I've ever had. So the bap was crazy good. The second meal was very good. I would definitely order that in a restaurant. I did not expect the pineapple to go well with ribs. It was something I've never had before. And the dessert, strangely enough, the digestive biscuits turned out to be a very good combination. Going with fruits like that, it turned out very, very tasty. So overall, 10 out of 10. Definitely do it again. If you want to order stuff from Berzoi, do it. I trust him to be the best food you've ever had. It was great. Thank you. Subscribe to Berzalicious, like his videos, and check out the next one next week. Thank you.